Jessica here, and I have got another project using August Mystery Box. This time I am using a blank out of the box. It is this cute pencil roll. It is so fun. It's probably hard to see that black on black, but there's little pockets for your pencil. You could do color pencils, pens, whatever you want. And we're going to decorate the outside of this. Today I am going to use the silver glitter, and it's glitter confetti, silver confetti. So fun. And I'm also going to use this EasyWeed Electric green. It is so fun too. But something I want to show you. So my original design, I was going to have all these little tiny dots. And this will make sense after we weed out the green, but it was too tiny to cut out in the silver. So I just wanted to show you guys what not to do. And it really, like if I was putting this on a t-shirt or something, this design would have worked. But where our pencil roll is a little small, my design was just too tiny and fine for glitter. And so I just reversed it. I did the EasyWeed in that tiny part, and you'll see all these little dots that I was trying to do in the glitter just did not work out. They were just too tiny. But in this EasyWeed, it worked out great. So I'm just gonna slowly weed those out. It looks like a lot of detail, and it's super easy to weed. Just getting out all those dots. Trim this up, and then you guys can see the full design here. This is one of the cut files out of the mystery box. It would be really fun to choose your own colors. Maybe make each little charm a different color. Okay. Let's lay this out. See how we want it to go. So this design I chose, it's going to take up the whole, most of the pencil roll here. Get these lined up, and then we'll move it down a little bit to be more in the center. And then I want to see where those moons end up when we roll it. Yeah, so I want the moons to come down a little bit. So I want them to be right, when you roll it up, you see the moons and they're not getting cut off. All right, got our little moon phases. Nice and lined up, and I'm going to take this over to the heat press. Oh, hold on. Okay. Now since we're layering, I'm just going to give this a quick press, enough to get that EasyWeed to stick down. Okay. The EasyWeed Electric can be peeled warm. Oh, it looks like we lost a few dots. Darn. Let's fix that really quick. Give this another press. There we go. Okay. With all these lumpy bumpies in the back, it had a tricky time. All right, now we are going to put line up our little moon phases and our charms. Make sure to cover up that raw electric so when we put it in the press again, that doesn't get messed up. And I am going to put a pillow under this time. Just going to add a little extra cushion there. See if we can get it to stick better. All right. Ooh, look at that glitter. Let's see. Okay, I thought that moon was going to have a hard time, but he's good. Okay. Look how cute this is. Put all our little pens and pencils in there. Roll it up. And you've got the moons right on the front. So cute. Oops. I do like those moons in the silver the silver confetti, I think better than if they were in the green. They originally were going to be in the green, and I like this better. So cute.